guys, what's up? Today, heading down by the river right now. We're gonna try our luck there. I have not fished there yet this year, so I actually don't know if I'm gonna catch anything. If you guys follow my channel at all, you'll notice that we just reached 100 subscribers. I'm super excited about that. Thank you guys for watching these videos. Thank you for being here to support me. I put a lot of time and effort into editing these videos, and seeing the progress throughout the times and throughout the videos has really given me more confidence and given me more drive to make more videos and do this more often. So thank you guys for that. My goal for 2018 is to reach 500. I think that's doable. I know we can do it. So let's make that happen, guys. Let's do it. Let's reach 500. Let's get that giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Like I said, I might not catch anything. I don't really care. I'm gonna get some awesome B-roll. I got the drone along, and we're just gonna do this. So I'll catch you guys when we get there. Alright, that's enough with the boring video. Since I made such a boring video, I'm going to throw a montage on the end of this video with some clips that I didn't get to use over the winter, only because the trip didn't work out or they just didn't add up to make some decent content. So I'll put a montage of that together, and then until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Tight lines, enjoy the warm weather.
Oh, hey guys. Welcome to my vlogging channel. Today we're up on little... I'm going to stop myself.
Got him. After all that fight, you want to bust the ice out of my hole? This will be the second one of the day only. The other one came on a tip up. Here he's coming. That's what he was eating. Took him forever to take that in. Another one. We're gonna keep this one. Whitefish mixer for some good table fare, so throw him on the ice. Put the fight back into tip-off fishing with the iFish Pro. That's good. That was good. Flag is designed to be triggered only by the pull of the fish. Two triggers, and 2 slip stops. Okay, there's a rod holder. It locks into place. And for your transporting and storage.
All right, that's enough talking about that. All right, we're gonna get to you with some fish here.
Tip up just went up. What was that? I think it's a big perch. My
fighting
fingers,
hard?
my fingers are freezing. I didn't even know this one up, so there's gonna be a bunch of line up. It's a big old whitefish. These things are like little missiles, but this here is a little whitefish. And that's how you release a whitefish.